In this box are some of the coolest, wildest pigments that I've seen in a long time, and I cannot wait to test them with you guys. Now, we've got 6 of them, and they are small but mighty. Now, Gabe and I were talking. They're kind of like interference pearls in a sense, that they're kind of colorless, transparent, but also not. And they're not powder. They are huge. Take a look at some of this material. I don't know if you can see the size, but it's definitely not a powder. Way bigger than a flake. I don't even know if these are going to go through our spray gun. Gabe, look, it's like fish food, dude. Do you think this is going to spray through the gun?
I think it will.
So they're all different colors. They're all clearly color shifting. Look at that. It's like shredded gems or something. Crystals almost. That is insane. I can't wait to get these down. I'll show you the last 2 real quick. We're going to mix these up. We're going to spray them over black because that's going to give us the most color activation. We're going to get some high gloss over them. I can't wait any longer. I'm ready. You ready?
I'm ready.
Let's go. Alright guys, we're all done with the project, and I didn't know what to expect from these crazy pigments when we first started testing, but they are wild. They are huge, the color shifting effect is super intense, and because they're translucent, they should be able to go over just about any color base coat. I want to play with these a little bit more in the future, but I'm going to show you what they look like now, and I want to know 2 things from you. 1, which one is your favorite, and 2, what could you see yourself painting with these? They're such a unique effect. I'm not really sure what I would use them for. Now, if you want to change the color of your own car or play with any of our paints, head straight to DipYourCar.com. Gabe and I had a ton of fun in this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. I'll see you on the next one.